Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to a new tutorial. Winter is here, so I want to show you how to create this winter snowfall loop inside After Effects. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm gonna start with a new composition and I'm gonna call this winter snowfall loop. And let's go with full HD resolution, 24 frames per second, resolution half, and duration 8 is good. And yeah, so I'm gonna hit OK. Now I have this background artwork here. I'm gonna just drag and drop. You guys can download this one from the link in the description. It's from Freepik, okay? And here is the original one. And I'm gonna press S to scale it down. So let's scale it down to fit the scene like this. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna just create a new adjustment layer. So right click, new adjustment layer, and let's call this snowfall like that. Now let's go to effect and preset. If you don't see the effect and preset tab here, you can go Windows and find the effect and preset, or you can press Ctrl+5 on your keyboard. Okay, now just let's search for CC snowfall, and I'm gonna just double click to apply it. Gonna increase the opacity like that, and then also size something like this. Yeah, okay. Now you can just reduce the flakes. If you want a lot of flakes, you can increase it, reduce it to maybe 4000, something like that. Okay, you can also add some variation, and you can press spacebar on your keyboard to RAM preview this, as you can see. And yeah, I recommend you guys to just go with these settings. Okay, and you can also add some depth in the scene, something like this. And you can also increase the variation of the speed, and you can increase the speed if you want, something like this. And also wind, let's add some wind. Yeah, looks pretty good. And let's also add some variation to the wind. You guys can give a different color or wiggle. I recommend you guys to just go there and just play with these settings. Okay, and this is enough because we need to loop this. So to loop this, I want to find a frame. So I want a 6-second loop, so I'm gonna go to 6-second mark and press N on my keyboard right here. Okay, now let's go to 0 second and select this snowfall adjustment layer, right click and go to markers and add a mark. Okay, like that. Now you will see a marker in the adjustment layer. Now go to 1 second mark and add another marker. So right click, markers, and add another mark. Now right here, I'm gonna just duplicate this layer. So select this, Ctrl D to duplicate. Now I will drag this layer to 1 second mark, or you can just press Alt and left bracket on your keyboard. And I will set this right here. Okay, now in the above layer, I'm gonna set this, drag this to end of this composition. So the first frame and the last frame exact same. Okay, now we need to add some opacity to the layer. So I'm gonna go to this marker and then press D on my keyboard. Make sure it's in the top layer. Okay, and then create a keyframe and drag this single keyframe, opacity keyframe, to the end of this composition, and then set this to 0. And set this to 0. So basically in this first marker it should be 0, and then in the last marker it should be 100. Okay, now let's go to below snowfall layer and press E again, and I'm gonna create a new keyframe and make sure it's in the 100 in the first marker, and then go to end of this marker and set this to 0. So basically we create this transition, and I'm going to select these keyframes and then press F9 on my keyboard to ease these keyframes. Now I'm going to press N on my keyboard right here. Now press page up, so it will go 1 frame forward, and then press N. Now let's check the animation. Oh, it's not working. Oh, that's because we need to drag this second marker to the first marker. So I'm going to just drag this right here like that, and I will just drag these 2 keyframes right here. Okay, now let's see. As you can see, now you can find this transition, and it gives us really nice looking loop animation, as you can see here. So make sure the second marker in the 0 second. Okay, that way we can get that nice looking loop. And yeah, that's basically it. This is not only for Snowfall. You can use any CC simulation inside After Effects. You can use CC particles using this method. You can loop it. And yeah, I hope this helped. And as always, thank you so much for all of my Patreon supporters. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one with another After Effects tutorial. Peace.